AI is everywhere nowadays. From social media to workplaces, it's completely changing how we do things, making everyday tasks faster and sometimes even more creative. But if you're just getting started, the idea of using AI might feel a little overwhelming. You might wonder, where do I even begin? The good news is, there are free AI tools out there that are not only easy to use, but also designed to help beginners dive right in. Today we'll go through 3 AI tools that stand out: Writesonic, Leonardo AI, and InVideo AI. Each of these tools serves a different purpose, from writing to image creation to video editing. What makes them so exciting is how accessible they are. Even if you've never used an AI tool before, these options are straightforward and powerful enough to make you wonder how you ever got by without them. Let's take a closer look. Writesonic. Writing can be a challenge, whether it's for work, school, or even personal projects. We've all had moments where we stare at a blank screen, wondering how to start, or where we write something only to realize it doesn't sound quite right. Writesonic is here to solve those problems. At its core, Writesonic is an AI-powered writing assistant. What does that mean? Simply put, it's a tool that helps you create written content quickly and efficiently. But don't worry, it's not a robot taking over your writing. It's just about having a little help to speed up the process. Here's how it works. First, sign up for a free Writesonic account using the link in the description. Then, sign up by filling out your basic details. Once you've done that, all you have to do is give Writesonic a little bit of information, like a topic or a prompt, and it generates text for you. For example, let's you're writing a blog post about the benefits of remote work. You might type in, "Write about remote work," or "Advantages of working from home." Writesonic will then create a structured piece that highlights key points, such as saving time on commutes, creating a better work-life balance, and increased productivity. By the way, this is not limited to one type of writing. If you need an email, Writesonic can draft one. It can also help you write captions for social media posts. It's flexible enough to handle almost any type of written content you might need. Just remember to keep your prompts as detailed as possible to get the results you want by being specific about the style and tone you want the writing to be in. Another feature that stands out on Writesonic is the rephrasing tool. If you've written something but feel it could be improved, maybe it's too stiff or too wordy, you can paste it into Writesonic, and it will rewrite it in a way that's clearer and more engaging. It's especially helpful when you want your message to stand out, but aren't sure how to word it. One more feature that's worth mentioning is Photosonic, an AI tool integrated with Writesonic. Let's say you're creating a post about your favorite travel destination. You can use Photosonic to generate images that match your content. For example, you could describe a peaceful beach with turquoise waters, and Photosonic will produce an image to pair with your writing. This feature makes it easy to create visually appealing content without needing to search for hours or hire a designer. If you're looking for one tool that does multiple things, this is great. But if you want the best of the best AI images, then you'll want to use the next tool on my list. By the way, you can start for free with Writesonic using the link in the description. Try it out and let me know what you think about it. Leonardo AI. This tool is perfect for anyone who needs visuals, but doesn't have the skills or time to create them from scratch. Whether you're an artist looking for inspiration, a designer working on a project, or someone who just loves cool visuals, Leonardo AI has something for you. So, how does it work? It's simple. Create an account and log in, then click on Image Creation. Now, you can just type in a prompt describing what you want to see, and the AI generates an image based on your description. For example, let's say you're working on a project about space exploration, and you want an image of an astronaut standing on a vibrant alien planet. Type in something like an astronaut on a colorful alien planet with 2 moons in the sky. Pick a model preset that makes the most sense for your project. For this example, I'll stick to Phoenix 1.0. You can pick your image dimensions here, and then you can turn Prompt Enhance on. This is great for when you have a general image idea, but you're not sure how to describe details. Click Generate, and then Leonardo AI will create a few options that you can pick from and download. One feature that's particularly useful is the upscaler. Let's say you have an image that looks good but is a little blurry or too small for what you need. The upscaler enhances the resolution, making the image sharp and clear. This is especially handy if you're creating content for presentations or printing. Another standout feature is the AI motion tool. This takes still images and adds movement, turning them into short, dynamic videos. For example, we can hover over the astronaut image we made, click on Generate Motion Video, then put the motion strength to somewhere around 3 to 5, and then generate. After a few seconds, Leonardo AI will add some movement to the image to make it feel more like an animation or video. It's a small touch that can make your visuals more engaging. Starting with Leonardo AI is easy. The interface is clean and user-friendly, so you don't need any previous experience to jump in. Plus, since it's web-based, you can use it from anywhere without needing to download anything. You can start with a free plan that gives you 150 credits to use every single day, which is super generous. InVideo AI. Video content is everywhere these days, from YouTube and TikTok to Instagram and beyond. But creating videos can feel really complicated and overwhelming, especially if you're new to editing. That's why I love InVideo AI. This tool is designed to take all of the complications out of video creation. It helps you turn your ideas into professional-looking videos without needing advanced editing skills or expensive software. Here's how it works. You start with a script or even just a rough idea. For example, say you want to make a video about the importance of recycling. You type in your script, and InVideo AI takes it from there. It finds relevant stock footage, adds text overlays, and even generates voiceovers. In a matter of minutes, you have a polished video ready to share. One of the features that makes InVideo AI stand out is its templates. These are pre-designed layouts optimized for different platforms. Whether you're creating a YouTube intro, an Instagram story, or a Facebook ad, there's a template that fits your needs. This takes the guesswork out of formatting and makes sure that your video looks great no matter where you post it. Another feature worth mentioning is the AI voice generator. If you're not comfortable recording your voice, this tool has you covered. You can choose from a variety of voices, and they sound natural, not robotic or stiff. It's a simple way to add narration without needing a microphone or recording software. For beginners, InVideo AI is perfect. It simplifies every step of the process, from choosing visuals to adding effects. And like the other tools we've talked about, it's free to try. What's great about all three of these tools is how accessible they are. You don't need to be a tech expert or spend hours learning how to use them. They're designed to help you get started quickly, while still offering plenty of features to explore as you grow more comfortable with AI. If you're curious, give them a try. They're free, so there's no risk. And who knows, you might discover a new skill or creative outlet along the way. Have you heard of or tried any of these AI tools before? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful or interesting, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this.